Good morning. This is Larry McMillan with a stock market update on Monday, July 7th. Hope you had a good 4th of July holiday weekend. The market's down a little bit today, but we're still quite bullish on things. The S&P index made a series of new all-time highs last week, and its chart is very positive. There's a small gap down to 62.22, and then several support areas below that. We're still thinking that would still be a bullish chart as long as it's above 59.20. The equity-only put-call ratios have dropped to new relative lows, so they're back on the bullish side of things. Breadth is very positive. The breadth oscillators are in overbought territory, but that's actually a good thing when S&P is making new all-time highs. We're also seeing new all-time highs from cumulative volume breadth, both in terms of stocks only data as well as New York Stock Exchange data. So that's a confirming sign for the S&P all-time highs. The individual stocks on the NYSE, we're seeing more than 100 new highs every day for the last 6 days. So that's positive. That's a new 52-week high, that is, 100 new 52-week highs. And so that indicator is positive as well. VIX is hovering around 17. It doesn't really look like traders are going to let it drop too much below that. The demand for puts at that price is pretty strong. So, but still, the VIX is in a downtrend, which is bullish for stocks. And it made that spike peak a little over a week ago. And it's still, that spike is still there. So that's also bullish for stocks. The last thing we look at is the construct of volatility derivatives. The term structures are sloping upwards there, so that's also a bullish sign. So everything's bullish. The market's off a little bit today on worries about tariffs. I can't do anything about that, but I will say that we're certainly following our indicators. If anything should roll over to a sell signal, we'll act on it immediately. But for right now, we're holding longs, and we're rolling them up when they get deeply in the money. So I invite you to visit our website, take a look at our products that come out on a daily basis if you want to keep up with this information in a more timely manner. And meanwhile, have a great week trading.